Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Fn8 to the power of b equals to b Fn8. So this one that is about capital 8, this one that is about capital B, so this one we transform into this one. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to Fnx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. Next we have the formula Fnab equals to Fna plus Fnb. Next we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. We know that Fne that is about number 1. Now we need to concentrate on this one. Next we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to Fnu. Next we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du over u. dv equals to du. So the integration of this one we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v minus dt multiplied by v. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And now we have the integration of du. And now we have the final answer. Now we go back in here. So the integration of number 1 that is about u. Fnu that is about this one. So u minus u we cancel. About u that is about Fns. This is the end. Thank you for watching.